music production is a combination of art and science. It seems like just turning a bunch of knobs, but it's actually really difficult to do well. It's a really exciting time to be here because we've been fortunate enough to be able to expand and evolve the program quite a bit. So we're really trying to offer a complete package for people interested in commercial music at Sacramento City College.
Once I graduated high school, I looked at different programs down in LA and different places, but this particular program was ranked amongst the best when I was looking, and it was also super close to home, so it just made sense for me to come to this one.
It's such a good program, such a great experience. We have some really great equipment. You're able to really collaborate and work well with others, as well as just have fun.
One of the biggest things that I needed to learn was the hardware itself. It's easy for anyone to purchase something online for a couple $100, but to be able to actually touch the boards, the analog equipment, the outboard gear, learn signal path, and that opportunity to work with something especially analog, it gives you a better insight of what you do in the computer or what you do digitally.
So if that is the play out of Pro Tools, where do we patch things into Pro Tools? There you go, you got it. We offer various courses, various levels of studio production and recording, mixing and mastering, audio for video and sound design, plus various MIDI classes where you can use virtual instruments and create productions. We've got classes in Pro Tools where you actually get your official AVID certification. We've got live sound, and of course, accompanying courses such as music theory and music appreciation. One of the main things the students get to do in this program is set up for, plan for, record, mix, and master real groups.
If you're the one that brings in a band, then you're the producer for the day. So you actually get to fill that role of deciding what microphones, so what are we going to put on the kick, what are we going to put on the snare, how are we going to mic the vocalist, are we going to do it isolated or with the band. So you get to make that decision along with the band just as you would in real life.
So today we have students coming in with their band, and we have another group of students from my advanced class who are going to be doing a full setup. They've got to do pre-production. They have to know what mics they're using, where. They have to do a chart of where everybody's going to be set up in the room, and they have to do it like a production they would be doing in a formal studio.
Okay guys, please stand by. Stand by. We are rolling.
If you're out in the industry doing a production, you're not on your own. You're working with producers, other engineers, you're working with musicians, and being able to understand how to navigate those dynamics is a huge thing. People have lost gigs because they didn't do that well. So it's great training, and they have to figure it out. They have to learn how to work together as a group to create a project.
My professor is just absolutely the best person to talk to if you need real advice.
With the information that I've gained from professors here, I definitely feel confident going to the next step. I've already started getting freelance work and working for different artists, and not only doing it, but having very happy customers. I'm definitely ready for whatever's ahead.
You get to experience what happens in the industry, and you get to really take those learning steps now instead of when you're 3, 4, 5 years out of here.
I mean, almost everything that you see at Sacramento City College is brand new. It's all state of the art. It's as good as it's going to get for this level, 100%. With that, coupled with the experience of professors that we have here, if any time is going to be a time to go here, it's right now.